All right, so you know how everyone keeps saying AI is going to like totally change how we work?
Yeah,
But then you try to figure out how it actually applies to you.
right.
It feels kind of impossible.
Like drinking from a fire hose, right?
Exactly. And today we're doing a deep dive on some material from, let me check my notes, Marz AI.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah. And they're all about giving you like a clear path for using AI in your career.
Okay, cool.
So we'll see if they actually deliver.
Yeah, for sure.
So they start off, by kind of acknowledging this feeling of being totally overwhelmed.
Mm-hmm.
And they call out these classic mistakes people make when they like try to learn about AI.
Yeah, like what? What are some of those?
Well, they say like people jump into these crazy expensive courses
Oh, yeah.
before they even know like what they want to use AI for.
Totally. And that's got to be so frustrating,
Oh,
feeling like you're just throwing money away.
exactly. So that's where Marz AI comes in with their different approach.
I'm intrigued.
Yeah. So they say like instead of trying to, become some coding genius,
Yeah.
it's more about amplifying the skills you already have.
Oh, that's a good point.
Right.
Yeah.
So I'm curious, like, what would that actually look like in practice?
Okay, so let's say you're like a marketing manager.
Okay.
Instead of like manually crunching all this data,
Oh, yeah.
you could have an AI tool that analyzes customer trends for you
Okay.
and then helps you target your marketing campaigns way more effectively.
Interesting.
Hmm.
That makes sense for like a data-heavy job.
Mm-hmm.
But what about someone who's not like in marketing?
Right.
Is this AI stuff really relevant to like everyone?
Well, think about it.
Yeah.
AI is becoming more and more integrated into like basically every industry.
Mm-hmm.
So for example, like healthcare.
Oh, okay.
Doctors could use AI for faster, more accurate diagnoses.
Wow.
Architects could use it to design more energy-efficient buildings.
So it's kind of like the internet, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Like if you adapted to it early, you had a huge advantage.
Exactly. You're getting
So
there.
learning how to use AI now could be like that.
Right. It could open up new opportunities, new career paths even.
Okay, that's a good point.
Yeah.
But still, like learning AI, even if it's practical, sounds kind of time consuming.
Yeah, I hear ya.
So what do they say about that?
Well, that's where finding good resources and support comes in, right?
Yeah.
And that's where Marz AI positions themselves.
Mm-hmm.
They offer these workshops that are all about, specific AI tools.
Okay.
And they also have this community platform
Oh, cool.
where professionals can connect and like learn from each other.
Makes sense.
Yeah.
So it's not just about the technology. It's about having like a network
Exactly.
to help you figure it all out.
That's the key.
But, I feel like there's a ton of AI resources out there already.
For sure.
So what makes this approach like stand out?
Well, I think it's that combo of the practical hands-on stuff
Mm-hmm.
with the community support element.
Right. You're not just like reading theory and you're actually, learning by doing.
Exactly. And you've got people to support you.
Yeah, that's huge.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so for you listening, here's like the main takeaway.
Okay.
Don't wait to start exploring AI.
Yeah.
Try to think of a task in your work that you could like streamline using AI, and then look for resources that'll teach you the practical stuff
Yeah.
and that have a supportive community.
Absolutely.
Okay, so now imagine this.
Okay.
You could automate just one tedious task in your daily routine, right?
Okay.
How would that change things?
That's a great question.
Yeah, like how would that free up your time to focus on the more strategic stuff?
Exactly. Or the more creative parts of your job.
Right. Like that's the real power of AI.
It's not about replacing us. It's about freeing us up to do what we're good at.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And whether you check out Marz AI,
Marz AI.
yeah, Marz AI or other resources, just remember, like any journey starts with a single step.
That's a great way to put it. So take that first step. All right. Thanks for joining us for this deep dive.
Thanks for having me.
And we'll catch you next time.
See ya.